Hey everyone, welcome to the demo for SwapHub. This is a platform we built to help people trade items within the local community. It's all about making exchanges suitable and easy. First, we go to the login page. As you can see, we offer a sign-in as admin. As you go to this page, you can manage users, content, and platform activities. Also, we offer two different ways for sign-in. We integrate with Google Auth 2, so you can sign in with your Google account like this. Meanwhile, you can also sign in with your username as password. Once we are logged in, we land on the dashboard. As you can see, the UI is really clean. And from the center, we have this large search bar. So if you know exactly what you are looking for, you can type it right here. And below that, we have some popular categories like electronics, books, furniture, and clothing. It's designed to get you to the items you know and fastly. Then for the first step, we'll go to the profile page. All right, let's jump into the profile page. This is basically the user's home based on SwapHub. On the left side, we have the public-facing identity. You can see my avatar, username, and my address here. On the right side, we have the main dashboard tabs. It defaults to active listing, where I can manage what I'm currently selling, like these chocolate cookies, and you can edit it or view it. We also have tabs for history and address. Now I want to show you how I can update my profile. So we click this Edit Profile button, and we go to this page. You can see I can easily update my avatar URL, my email, and the phone and birth date. But I want to draw your attention to the location field right here. You will notice it's read only. I can't type here. We design it because the profile location is strictly derived for your primary address. We did this to prevent consistent errors. We didn't want a situation where a user says they are in London on their profile, but their shipping address is currently in New York. So this way, the location is always tied to real logistic data. Now I can show you how to edit address for demonstration. I'm going to update my primary address to New Jersey and save the changes. And if I come back to the main profile, the location under my name has been changed. No manual entry needed. All right, we'll set up the user profile. Now let's move on the most important feature of SwapHub, the trading. To get a trade started, we need inventory. So let's create a new item. For this demonstrating, I'm going to list the Columbia University hoodie. But firstly, I will update my blue Nowly hoodie picture. And then the item name is like Columbia hoodie. And I set the price like $50. So it's hoodie. I select the category as clothes. And it's brand new. So I set the condition is new. And I add some descriptions like I can deliver it within 3 miles. Okay, so that I can choose exchange type. I want to trade it, and the pick location is my primary address. And success! The item is created. The best part is the moment I click the bottom, this hoodie became instantly visible on the browse page for other users to see. Now I log in as a different user account to play the buyer. So if you look at the browse items page here, we can see the Columbia hoodie that we just listed. And we go to the item detail page. You can see everything that we needed. The photo, the $50 price, the category is clothes, and the preferred exchange method. And down here, we have the comment section. This is great for public Q&A before buying, or for leaving reviews and ratings after trade is done. to build the community trust. But the most important feature are the right here on the sidebar. So it's message seller and request trade. Since I really want this hoodie, I'm going to straight for request trade. Alright, we're back in the seller's account. To check my incoming offers, I'm going to click this transaction icon on the top right corner. So it leads me to the transaction dashboard. You can see the workflow has three stages: the request, active, and complete. And we received a new request. Let me have a look. So you can see that there is the offer price and have the message. Can I pick this up for 4 p.m. tomorrow? So, well, I think it's okay. So I will decide to accept it. So now I accept this trade. It go to the active stages, and after I meet with the with the buyer, and we can mark as a complete. So it's and then they go to the complete. Yeah. So the transaction now is activate. As you saw throughout this whole process, the communication was very important. So that's why we built this integrated messaging system. It bridged the gap between an online listing and a real-world meetup, making sure you can coordinate safely and easily. But ultimately, I want to say that SwapUp is more than just buying and selling. Our core vision is about swapping, making it easier for neighborhoods to trade items directly and reduce their wastes. Whether it's a straight purchase or an item-for-item barter, we want to build a community where value is shared, not wasted. Thank you.